Do you have a robot vacuum cleaner that is leaving suds on the floor? Well, I've got a fix for you, and it's not the robot's fault. You can see there's quite a bit of suds here. And the real reason I'm getting these suds, because this is an excellent robot, and I only started to see these when I washed the floor with this. So I made a big mess here earlier, and I thought I need to clean it up with some, with a quick mop. So I cleaned it up pretty good. I sprayed down quite a bit of solution with this. And then whenever I had the Dyson come over here and I told it to clean this just like give it one last good cleaning. That's when this problem arose. I've had this robot now for almost 2 weeks, and I've had it do probably 30 cleanings in that room, and I never saw this before. So this tells me it could be something you're putting down on the floor. And to be fair, I've seen this on the Roborock Curve 2 Flow. Earlier I did a test, it was leaving suds. I've never seen that robot leave suds before. And I've seen it on the Narwhal Flow 2. Now, the Dyson, I am using the Shark Vac Mop solution that I put in here. You can find that on my website, justadadapproved.com. And again, I've used this robot in this studio well over 20 times, cleaning this area over here. And I never ever saw suds until today. Now, I did use quite a bit of this stuff, and if you ever have used this stuff before, when you wipe it off, it's kind of slick. It doesn't really get all the soap off when you're using these mop pads. So it could be a floor cleaning solution that you're using, and it's not the robot's fault. Now, at my home, I don't use a mop anymore at all. Sometimes here I have to just quickly clean up a mess. So if you're having suds, get a mop and wipe your floor with just water. Try to get off whatever maybe floor cleaning solution that you have on your floor already, and then try your robot. So I am Just a Dad. I review robot vacuum cleaners for a living. I do purchase these robots with my own money. That way I can give you my honest opinion. If you want to find the robots that I've already recommended and approved of, check out my website, justadadapproved.com. Now, right now, I'm in the middle of testing the Dyson. It's getting ready to go to my house. After I live with it for about 2 months, I'm gonna see if I like it still. I'll tell you my real world results, and then it will I'll let you know if it receives the Just a Dad approved sticker. Not all robots receive it. There we have the older Narwhal Flow. It did not receive it. And my initial impression, I do love the Dyson Spot Scrub. The Narwhal Flow 2, I'm not having too good of results with it. Same with the Shark. The Roborock Curve 2 Flow just got my sticker seal of approval. So look for more videos coming, but I just wanted to do a quick video. It may not be the robot's fault if you're getting suds on the floor. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.